Liebherr. Since its inception in 1949, has spread its wings all over the world. Today, Liebherr has its presence in over 50 countries, in 11 divisions, with a wide array of product ranges. Liebherr is the world leader in premium refrigerators. Headquartered in Germany, Liebherr's engineering excellence provides the widest range of freezers, refrigerators, and wine cabinets. And now, we are all set to redefine refrigeration in India. To achieve this goal with Elan, we proudly present our superbly equipped manufacturing facility in Shendra MIDC in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. This centrally air-cooled manufacturing facility has been conceived as a greenfield project. With state-of-the-art machinery and the latest technology that complies with our global standards of excellence. The best machinery from all over the globe have been brought together to create a world-class manufacturing facility. We aim at bringing our commitment to excellence and outstanding track record to India, and have meticulously recrafted our engineering genius for India to win the heart of Indians. Liebherr.